Soaking potatoes in salt water is actually the best method. Sawubona, uChef Magama lona. What salt does, it penetrates the potato from the inside, not just the surface. That provides more seasoning throughout. All right, because if you're gonna apply just a veg seasoning on the outside, you are only seasoning the skin but not the inside of the potato. That's why you need to at least soak your potato in salt water so that your potato has got enough seasoning inside and outside. Soaking your potatoes in salt water actually improves the texture of your potato, more especially if you're gonna do your chips or fries or you're gonna do your roasted potatoes. This is the interesting part. The salt that you put in that water and you allow it to be soaked in the potato, or rather to be absorbed by the potato. What the salt does is that it draws out the excess starch, allowing the potato to give a crispier result, meaning that salted potatoes actually more crispier than just washed potatoes. I'm saying to you that yes, you need to start brining your potatoes as well. So today I'm going to go to OPC, get vegetables, and I really want to show you how to properly make the best al dente yet crunchy but well cooked flavored potatoes. uChef Magama lona. Siyabonga.